Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having an amazing time building the great life which you actually want and that you truly deserve. Now, this is a beautiful time of the year, the beginning of the new year, where all of us take time to think of what we want to achieve in the new year and especially how we're going to make that a reality. That probably is your productivity system. And in this video, I bring you a powerful key. One key that can ensure that your productivity system actually works. Before we get started with the video, let me tell you, please do subscribe to this channel. That would greatly motivate me to keep making awesome content for you and to keep pushing you forward towards your dreams. Now that's what I enjoy doing. Okay. So again, if you've not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, and also please do comment below some of your amazing goals for the new year, and I will try to probably reply to your comments with a possible tiny habit that you could consider incorporating in 2024 that would push you towards your goal. Awesome. Let's get started. Now, again, first, a quick touch on productivity system. Now, what is a productivity system? As the word implies, you have the word system over there, right? So it's a system. It's not a standalone productivity technique. A productivity system is a system that you build to get things done again and again. And that's how you achieve your goals, whether they are 1 year goals or 3 year goals or 5 year goals. You get your goals, you achieve your goals by getting things done again and again and again consistently. And that is what your productivity system is all about, right? Now, when it comes to productivity systems, it's good to build them organically. Now, what do I mean with that? It means that instead of incorporating a multitude of techniques that are probably helpful in improving your productivity at once, instead of fitting them together, if you evolve your productivity system organically over a period of time, it's going to be more customized to your needs and your ways of working, and it probably will be more effective for you. So probably it's a good idea to build your productivity system organically. Okay, now that could have things like probably having a calendar where you schedule things on your calendar so that you don't forget things, and you also use a calendar to block out time for deep work. So that would be a great thing in your productivity system. Now, another thing could be that probably you use a to-do list so that you don't forget things. You use your brain for the creative things and for things that probably like you need to get done, you need to remember, etc. You have stuff in your to-do list. And again, these are just techniques, and we're not going to go into greater depth in this video on these techniques, but these are just some things that you could have in your productivity system. Now, you could have various other things as well. For example, you could have exercise built into your productivity system, and you could do it in various ways. Probably you have time scheduled for exercise every day in the morning so that you are able to work with focus, or you have exercise in breaks. So you could have various ways of incorporating these things into your productivity system. Now, some other things are like you could have an idea capture thing, okay? Or you could have something that you would always focus on your most important thing first thing in the morning. You could also incorporate checklists, which are very powerful when you're working on complex projects. Now, these are various techniques that you could incorporate into your productivity system. Again, on a broad level, you could have things in your productivity system that can help you get things done and help you not to forget things, etc. All right. So again, your productivity system is your system or your way of working to get things done again and again and again. And this is how you will achieve your goals for 2024. Now, the key question is, how do you make all of this work, right? So that's the important thing. You could have a very complicated productivity system with n number of things incorporated into it, but what is the use of it if it does not work, right? So that is where this video comes into play, and I want to give you one key to help you ensure, to make it a certainty that your productivity system actually works. So how do we make our productivity system actually work? So that's the question, right? Or what is that one thing that can help you actually make your productivity system effective? Now let's have the drum rolls. And the one thing that I have for you is review your productivity system. Now this is something which is extremely powerful and important, and probably I can't stress it enough. Okay, so again, this is the beginning of the new year, and I would strongly urge you to consider incorporating reviewing your productivity system into your weekly things that you do. Probably schedule some time weekly. Maybe it could be Saturday evening or Sunday evening. Think about things that are working for you. Like what are the things that you have already incorporated into your productivity system? Have you incorporated a calendar system? Have you incorporated a to-do list? Are you using some app like Microsoft To Do or Todoist, etc.? Or probably are you using techniques like Pomodoro, etc.? Again, it's not on the techniques, but there are some things that you have incorporated, right? So in that scheduled time, think whether what you have incorporated is actually working or not. Is it giving you the results that you want, right? So think about that. Take some time to just think about it, okay? And think about whether you need something more. Now, this is an awesome time to organically grow your productivity system. When you review your productivity system and you feel that you need something more, it's a good time to incorporate something more. And in this way, you would be able to organically grow your effective productivity system customized for you, something that actually works for you over a period of time, right? So in your scheduled time, think about whether you need something more, and only go for more things if you feel the need for it. Also, think about whether any adjustments are needed. Probably you're having a lot of items in your to-do list and you're not able to check them off, right? And then if you don't review your to-do list over a period of time, the number of tasks which are not done would keep growing and growing. Probably you have already done them, but you have not checked it off. That could be one case. So again, take some time and think whether you need to make some adjustments. Maybe you need to check off some things in your to-do list, or you need to change the way in which you are planning your calendar. So do take out some time to review your productivity list. And I guarantee you that if you do this technique, which is reviewing your productivity system, which is a very simple and powerful technique, if you do that sincerely and consistently over the next 50 or above 50 weeks, right? That's what we have in 2024. If you do that regularly, you will see that you will develop and organically grow a productivity system that actually works for you, and it'll give you the results that you want, right? So this is a very simple technique. Yes, that's true, but it's the effectiveness is not in the complexity, right? It's in the simplicity. It's in the simplicity and in the power of that simple technique. So remember, the key to success is to live intentionally, right? So everyone has the same amount of time for 2024. So let's use this time intentionally to achieve the things that we care about and that we want to achieve. And we will do that by living intentionally. And you can do that by having a productivity system that actually works. And remember, the key for having a productivity system that actually works is consistently and regularly reviewing it again and again. I would strongly recommend doing that on a weekly basis. Now, my wish for you for 2024 is let's celebrate you building your customized productivity system in 2024, something that actually works for you and helps you build that dream life which you actually want and you truly deserve. All the best, and see you in the next video.